Hey everybody, what's up? So if you've made it here to this video, it means you would like to know more about the Hydrossential serum. So watch this video until the end so you do not have any regrets afterwards. I also have some really important information to share with you and things that you should know before you make your purchase, just so you do not regret anything later on, all right? So let's jump right into this. The first thing that you should know about the Hydrossential serum is where you're going to get it from. Now, people, keep in mind, all right, the Hydrossential serum has an official website, and that is pretty much the only place where you're going to get the original product from. So the Hydrossential serum is not sold on pharmacies, it's not sold anywhere else, just on their official website. To help you guys out, I've managed to leave their official website just below this video in the description box, and that's the only place you're going to find it, all right? So guys, let's talk about the Hydrossential serum. So the Hydrossential serum acts on the connective tissues of the upper epidermal layer of the skin, all right, providing a boost through a creative and innovative approach. So the Hydrossential serum will eliminate premature wrinkles and increase the formation of collagen, making your skin look so much younger. The lotion also works by tightening the pores to remove excess oil under the skin. So you can say goodbye to wrinkles and dry skin and be surprised by the effect that the Hydrossential serum can really provide. So unlike other cosmetics, it contains natural ingredients obtained from reliable companies with good production procedures that do not employ chemicals. So the Hydroserum is made strictly of an FDA and GMP, so it is 100% safe to use, all right? It is a purely natural plant extract which cannot contain any chemical properties, so there are no contradictions or side effect, all right? And something really great is that the Hydrossential serum will leave your skin shiny. It will leave your skin flawless. It's like you're going to have young baby skin again, all right? So all you need to do is just take a little drops of it into your skin. And the same way you mix your creams, just spread it through your face. Remember, it's always best to spread from the inside out, all right? In circular motions, of course. So the Hydrossential serum, the treatment can be done from 3 months, all right, 90 days, or you can do the full treatment for 180 days, that is 6 months, to make you have flawless and beautiful skin again. And if you just want to test it, you can actually test the Hydrossential for 60 days. And for whatever reasons, if you don't want to use it anymore, you can just ask for a refund and they'll give you 100% of your money back, all right? Well, guys, if you want to know more about the Hydrossential, be sure to check out their official website. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you have a beautiful day.